Did you know a single computer module controls nearly every major function of your engine? When this component starts failing, your vehicle can suddenly stall, struggle to start, lose power, or even stop running completely. Welcome back to FixPro Garage. In today's video, we'll cover 6 common signs of a failing engine control module, also known as the ECM, so you can recognize the warning signs before they turn into bigger and more expensive problems.
1. Random stalling. One of the most common symptoms of a failing ECM is random stalling. Your vehicle may suddenly shut off while idling, slowing down, or even while driving. The ECM depends on information from multiple sensors to maintain proper engine operation and idle speed. When it cannot process that information correctly, the engine may unexpectedly stall without warning. At first, this may happen only occasionally, but it can become more frequent over time.
2. Another common sign is hard starting or a crank no-start condition. Starting an engine requires precise coordination between fuel delivery, ignition timing, and sensor inputs. If the ECM begins malfunctioning, it may struggle to manage these systems correctly. As a result, the engine may take longer to start, require multiple attempts, or simply crank without starting at all.
3. A failing ECM can also affect fuel economy and engine performance. One of its primary responsibilities is maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. When the module starts deteriorating, it may calculate incorrect fuel delivery settings. This can lead to increased fuel consumption, sluggish acceleration, reduced power, and an overall decrease in vehicle performance.
4. If your engine idles roughly or the RPM gauge constantly moves up and down while stopped, the ECM could be the cause. Since the module controls idle speed, any problem within the system can make the engine struggle to maintain a stable idle. You may notice vibrations, inconsistent RPM readings, or an engine that feels unstable when sitting at traffic lights.
5. The check engine light is another major warning sign. The ECM continuously monitors data from sensors throughout the vehicle. When it detects a problem, it stores diagnostic trouble codes and activates the check engine light. While not every check engine light indicates ECM failure, recurring fault codes and multiple system issues can sometimes point to a malfunctioning module.
6. The most serious symptom is complete ECM failure. After years of handling electrical signals from numerous sensors and engine components, the module can eventually fail completely. When this happens, it may lose the ability to control critical engine functions. In severe cases, the vehicle may not start at all and could become completely undrivable until the ECM is repaired or replaced.
To recap, the most common signs of a failing ECM include random stalling, hard starting, poor fuel economy, loss of power, rough idle, check engine lights, and complete module failure. Catching these symptoms early can help prevent additional engine problems and save money on future repairs. Before replacing the ECM, it's always a good idea to perform a proper diagnostic scan, since wiring issues or faulty sensors can sometimes create similar symptoms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive repair tips here on FixPro Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.